Oh, do you feel better now? Huh? Do you feel better now? Ooh, the Molly cat. Yeah, the Molly cat's over there. You better now? Are you done? Huh? Are you done? No, okay. No?
Coming into this journey, I was optimistic, but I didn't think that I'd be in this place where I could possibly be proposing. So I get 3 rings. Okay. Better the feelings I have.
All set, sweetie?
I'm just a little nervous.
Huh? Are you better now?
This is an extremely tough decision.
Do you feel better?
Never had hesitations that I wanted
Yeah.
to spend the rest of my life with Amanda. But for me, the engagement is a very, very
Okay.
important thing. It makes me feel